Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Channeling by Kanchi and welcome you all from the bottom of my heart. I am doing this reading for the long period of time. I have not posted any reading, and today I have got a kind of like insight that I should make this video today. Okay, so let's start our reading without any further delay. All right. So, what are the current energies of my collectives? Whoever will get this reading, what are the current energies of my collectives? Whoever will get this reading. Okay. All right. Okay. King of Wands. King of Wands. Okay. So, firstly, I am getting um, I'm getting the energy of someone. There is somebody who just wants to um, there is someone in your energy who just wants to take a stand for you, who just wants to take any kind of action towards you, and this is not this is not something where you can say somebody just randomly wants to take a stand with you, because at the bottom of the deck I got the Six of Wands energy. This means the energy of somebody being very victorious, and the King of Wands is a very very fiery, passionate kind of like king, who just wants to take a stand for someone and who just wants to build something with you. Okay. So maybe this kind of feeling I'm getting, like there is a situation, there can be the situation where you were dealing with someone who weren't able to take your stand, who weren't able to just do any kind of like justice to your things. It can be like this situation could be in your working area, this could be situation in your relationship, some could have this situation in their family, like in between husband and wife. So I've just got somebody with a very fiery, passionate energy. Maybe this person could be very impulsive, very arrogant sometimes, but they're just preparing themselves to take any kind of like action towards you. And I'm getting the energy of someone like maybe this person. Okay, maybe this person. Okay, oh my god. So maybe this person is going through the tower moment right now. Okay, and this tower moment has came into their life because they haven't took they're just realizing the mistakes which they did with you. They are realizing their faults where they had made you wait in regards to commitment, in regards to any kind of like any kind of situation where you were supposed to have any kind of word with this person, but they just ignored you back to back, and right now they are facing a lot of burden in their life. Okay, with this Nine of Wands energy in the bottom of the deck. Okay, so can we just know why this person wants to take a stand for my collectives? Hmm. Can we just know why this person wants to take a stand for my collectives? Please do give us some kind of like insight, some insight. Okay. Five of Pentacles. This person just wants to take a stand for you, because um, this person is feeling very very, they just wants to repair the connection. Okay, the damage has been caused from from both of the sides, and now they just wanted to replenish things and renew things in their own terms. Okay, why? Because they cannot live without you, they are missing you. And maybe this tower moment is because you made this person in a no contact situation. Maybe this person has been ignored by you this time. All the times it can be possible that this person may always try to ignore you, may always try to run from the connection, but right now this person is not thinking to run from this connection, because this person is facing lot of turmoils in their life, and right now they are knowing they did some kind of mistakes with you, should not that they should not shouldn't do. Okay, so oh my god, so many cards fallen down. So okay, so we have got this devil in reverse. This person is facing your detachment, hardcore detachment. Why? Because maybe you have waited for a longer period of time and this person just failed to give you a right thing which you deserved actually. And they were just thinking like it can be a best thing to give the bare minimum, but you were the one person who was just looking out for something very very solidifying. um, you were the one person who was just looking out for solidifying base. Okay, you are not somebody who are just hovering around everybody, like hovering around and making connections, but you are just so loyal. This person knows that you are so loyal that you haven't ever made any connection with anyone regardless of your gender specific. Okay, maybe you had just withdrawn from this connection, and after just going into your own area you have become this for this person you have become this queen of swords, and maybe this person had reached out to you with this knight of wands energy, fast moment you can see, like in a very fastest way they have just reached out, but you were the one person who was not willing to, who was just putting the boundaries because your feelings have got hurt so many times, and now you were not ready to give your heart so easily. So that's why you are just ignoring this, you are just ignoring this person. And okay, today I mean, how many cards are just going to fall off? Okay, so this person feels like you are the sun of their life, feels like you are the one person who has brought so many happiness, like who did so many good things for this person, and who just maintained a kind of like positivity into their life where they were just like getting exhausted in their working field, and they just come to you and just put their head onto your arms and they just find themselves in a heaven where they have just found themselves being very very selfish. They were just not giving you anything, not even a bare minimum, and you thought to just leave this situation as it is and to move away. But right now this person is regretting their energy and they are feeling like, you know, kind of like a quiet power from your side. They are just feeling like you are just not really interested in giving and explaining anything on your terms. Okay, you are just like they are just seeing the stillness um, in the water where they are just trying to put a stone, like throw a stone. Okay, where they are just trying to throw a stone to get the reaction out of you so that they can find themselves in a mode like, okay, I am still important to this person, and right now you're just being so kind of like nonchalant energy. Not really caring any much. Oh, I'm so sorry, but it is the energy of like being not worried about anything. Okay. Now let's see what will be the next action. Okay, what they're going to do the next for my collectives. Okay, so this person is coming forward to give you some clarity over the situation. They're just going to be very, very flirty with you. They just want to show up their love, their emotions. They just wanted to spoil you with their love. They just wanted to come up and they just want to bring all the celebration in both of your life, where they don't want it to get ignored by you. And once you're going to arrive in their life, this person is going to feel very, very blessed, because you're like a celebration energy into this person's life. Okay, maybe you haven't ever realized that this person have also never realized, this person has never realized your value, and now this person is realizing your value all of a sudden. Let's see. Okay, justice. So see, this person wants to give you the justice. Maybe this person is just asking, like they are just trying to give you the commitment also. I'm seeing here the energy of I'm seeing here the energy of your person, that they just wanted to give you the commitment and what exactly you deserve in their life. Okay, they just wanted to give you the clarity, like you are this person in my life, you are the king or the queen into my life, where you have always been there and I have always taken you for granted. And right now they just wanted to swallow all the pain and just bring out the happiness, and very, very, they just wanted to do some kind of like a sweet conversation to you. Okay, let's see what this person exactly wants to say to my collective. What this person exactly wants to say to my collective. Oh my god, Six of Wands again. They just wants to say that they need a fresh start with you. They want to win you, because here the winning situation is coming because of something which a very specific has happened in both of your life, where something has happened after, like in the past, maybe you both had any kind of like conflict, and they were the one person who had maybe they had initiated this conflict. They were not willing to give the answers to your questions, and you were the one who was just trying to ask some of you of the questions which were very important to reply forward to. Okay, because if you are being in a relationship, one should always be very clear to have question and answer with. Okay, if somebody doesn't give you the answers of their questions, that means this person is ignoring you and they're just time passing with you. Okay, so I think and I feel that this person do not wanted to time pass with you, because here see Emperor. See, I can clearly see here this person wants to come forward in a very fast moment, but be careful. They are in authority, and this person wants to take the action. But here there is one problem. The problem is that this person wants to. They are quite egoistic. Okay, the King of Wands had came in the starting. That is a quite masculine energy, but in a short, like in a smaller form. But this Emperor is something. Ego, control, wants to have a domination. Okay, so just be very careful and think about yourself. Okay, all right, here we got the marriage card. Like, if you guys are you guys planning for like marriage, or somebody has already proposed to you? If not, within 4 months you're getting the marriage proposal. Okay, so this was your reading. Okay, and please do let me know. Okay, I can't ignore this. Two of Cups. Two of Cups came out here. Maybe, oh god, this person is actually. They're just feeling to fix everything with you, because they feel like their life has gone. Their life has fallen apart without you. So they just wanted to. They're feeling like they're missing you. They're reminiscing your memories. They are just feeling a kind of like a mutual attraction, unified love. They are just feeling so much attached to you, as like your everything, your soulmate kind of like energy. I'm feeling they are going to take the action towards you. Okay, so this was your reading. How was the reading? Please do let me know within the comment section. You need to just type triple one triple, I mean like 1111. Okay, so we got the Four of Wands card. Okay, that's why I'm saying just need to type 11:11. Okay, and thank you so much for watching this reading. If you really love this reading, then please do hit the subscribe button and also support this channel. Also like this reading if you really like it. Thank you so much for watching this reading. Take care. Bye bye. Love you all. Bye bye.